guys, I'm just popping on for a super quick video because I just want to talk about some headphones that I'm super excited about. So recently I've been searching for some headphones just to wear around the house, wear to the gym, if I ever get there. But I found these really great headphones on Amazon. They are Bluetooth wireless headphones. The box is open, let me shut it so I can show you. So they are, I have no idea how to say R-I-W, like Realbox, maybe? Realbox wireless headphones. They, first of all, let me just tell you, I think they were $29.99 on Amazon. I have Prime. I ordered them last week and they came the next day after I ordered them. It was amazing. Can we just talk about how cute these are? Like, they're super cute. But what's great about them is that they are wireless. They do have a USB, compatible. You plug in here, plug into the USB. They also have just the auxiliary cord that you can plug into your computer and listen if you don't want them to be wireless. But let me tell you that I had Beats headphones. Super expensive. Yeah, these are much more comfortable than them. The padding on them is just, oh, I'm turning up my volume. But the padding on them is great. They are super comfortable, like amazing. For the price, the volume is awesome. For the gym, they are great. The battery life of them is pretty good. It's about, I would say I charge them every 2 days. I think it says it lasts about 10 hours. So here's kind of the little booklet about them, but they have all these different colors. I'll probably link the Amazon link below. They have all these different colors. They ship super fast and they have a warranty. So I got this in my box as well. So it just says anyone who purchases the product from Amazon will receive a 1-year warranty. So that's amazing. You just have to email support@Realbox within 1 week, and you have to put your order number in that. And if you email them, they will have your warranty on file for 1 year. So again, these headphones were $29.99. Let me show you a little bit about the controls. So let's see. This is just the basic on and off. And then you have the, volume up, volume down. And then this button is to call or pause. Right here, okay? The Bluetooth pairing was super simple. Once you turn them on, they'll say Bluetooth ready to pair. At that point, put Bluetooth on your phone, your iPhone, whatever you use, and it will just pop up and it will say, they're called the XBT 880. That's what it will say on your phone. Pairs immediately. The sound quality is amazing. A few things that bother me would be like the leakage, you could say, like people could hear my music if it's super, super loud. But that doesn't bother me because at the gym I don't blast it, and at home, like, I don't really mind anybody hearing what I'm listening to. Other than that, like, these things are great for the price. I totally recommend them. And since they're Amazon and Amazon Prime members get them within 1 day, if you don't like them, go ahead and just send them back to Amazon and, you get your money back. But 100% worth a try. So I just wanted to come on here, do a little reminder to enter my Sephora giveaway, and talk about some great headphones. I guess that's all I have for today. This is a super quick video, and I just felt like, breaking away from the usual makeup or tutorial and just talking to you guys for a little bit. So in the comments below, let's think. Let me know some fun summer plans that you guys may have. If you're going anywhere, what you love to do on like a summer day that you might have free or anything like that. My favorite place to go is always Disney World when I get the chance. But, I live in New England, so yeah. Okay, well, that is all. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Hope you try out these headphones. They are really awesome. And see you all in my next video.